This is a Hall valve refacer in Model 80. It's in good working condition. It takes a little while for the oil to get primed, but the oil pump does work in it. Adjustable from a stream down to a drip. Adjust the cable in and out. Adjust the valve angle. Pull this pin here out. It marked is on 45 degrees now. And it's a switchable key. There's 60. Or you take it back to 30. There's a hole there for the 30 and 45. Positive positioning there. There's no being close with it, it's on there. Have this attachment here to square up the butt end of your valves. The screws in there for positive position. Have this here to square up to screw up your stone. You have this bit there. Slide that in there. Get not that far enough yet. Just turn that across here to barely dress up your stone. Screw it up. Have an extra stone that goes with it. It's included. Have a wrench here to change the stone. And I have two other accessories here. I'm not sure what they are. This looks like a cutter of some kind. And it looks like some kind of a drip pan. I'm not sure where that goes or if it's actually for this machine or not. But it's all in good working condition. You see the markings on there where it shows you how much. Can't get my camera focused on there, but that's marked so you can see how many thousandths you're taking off of your valve. There you go, you can see it now. Well, there it is, all in good working condition.